I call it the AI resource loop because energy is one critical component, and obviously made your comments around China. The other one is that Mr. Levine touched upon critical minerals and rare earth elements, whether it's the chips, the magnetics. And there, yeah, China's way ahead. It's been a 30-year strategic move by the Chinese. I mean, I'm speaking about that this afternoon, that very topic. But other countries are fighting back. The US has got a policy now with Africa. And just to touch upon stats for potential, approximately 30% of the world's critical minerals reside here on this continent. Yet in terms of mining capabilities, about 0.5% of that, if that rounded up, is being mined. And also now, a lot of these countries that have sold those assets too cheaply because they just get exported at a fraction of the cost, to realize value-added processing on the ground and creating industry is really, really important. That's not just happening in Africa. You know, there's new governments in Bolivia. El Salvador's being mentioned as well, which is also home to Tether as a stablecoin issuer, as an aside. But there's a big AI data center strategy there that the government wants to drive. Obviously, investment's key to all of this. But as Mr. Levine said, when you could package that into yield-bearing assets that have real offtake, that genuinely creates value. And now there's investment opportunities, not on just the traditional side, whether you look at the stock exchange in Casablanca or international markets. There's also distribution and yield capabilities and interest on the digital asset side, where there's billions and billions of dollars of stable coins that are getting no return. And central banks are usually, going back to your question, scared of these things because they think FDI is going to fly out. But actually, if used wisely, it can be a mechanism to massively increase FDI and empower investment and then create local growth.